Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by heating a skillet to medium-high so it's ready when the eggs hit the pan. Preheat shortens total cook time and creates better texture. Once the pan is hot, chop fillings into small, even pieces so they cook uniformly. Crack and whisk eggs with a splash of milk until slightly frothy. This adds fluff and helps bind. Make sure tortillas are warmable in the same pan for a crisp edge later. You sauté fillings until they're just tender. This develops flavor and removes excess moisture, so the burrito won't get soggy. Once done, push fillings aside and pour in the eggs, scrambling gently. Low heat keeps them creamy. When eggs are nearly set, fold in cheese so it melts into the mixture. The melted cheese helps bind the filling. Then transfer the hot filling to the center of a warm tortilla, leaving room to fold. You fold the sides of the tortilla in, then roll tightly away from you, pressing the seam down and toasting seam side first in the skillet for 1-2 minutes to seal. Once sealed, flip and toast both sides briefly for a golden crust. This adds structure and prevents leaking. If it falls apart or is soggy, immediately drain excess juices from fillings or reduce added liquids next time. Alternatively, press longer while cooling so the seam sets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.